In this video, we'll be looking at participatory democracy. Participatory democracy regards people participation as the basic principle of democracy. I repeat, participatory democracy regards people's political participation as the basic principle of democracy. How do we define political participation? Political participation is the active involvement of individuals and groups in governmental processes affecting their lives. I repeat, political participation is the active involvement of individuals and groups in governmental processes affecting their lives. The conventional mode of political participation includes voting, contesting for a public office, campaigning for a political party, contributing to the management of a community project like public safety, cleanliness drive, or the maintenance of a public park. I repeat, the conventional mode of political participation includes voting, competing for a public office, campaigning for a political party, contributing to the management of a community project like public safety, cleanliness drive, or the maintenance of a public park. There are other examples also, you can think of them. Rousseau, an exponent of popular sovereignty, is the pioneer of participatory democracy. Very important point, please note that Rousseau, an exponent of popular sovereignty, is the pioneer of participatory democracy. Sovereignty not only originates in the people, but it is also retained in them in spite of the transition from a state of nature to the civil society. So Rousseau says that sovereignty originates in the people and it stays with the people irrespective of the transition from state of nature to civil society. The people's deputies are not and could not be their representatives. They are merely agents of the people. So Rousseau says that people's deputies cannot be their representatives and they are not their representatives. They are merely agents of the people. The government is only an instrument to carry out the instructions of the general will. I repeat, Rousseau says that the people must constantly deliberate on public policies and issue necessary instructions to the government. Citizen participation is not only a necessary condition of a good society, but a basic feature as well. So Rousseau says that citizen participation is not only a necessary condition, but it is a basic feature of a good society. In modern states, the objective of participatory democracy is achieved by decentralization of administration, extensive use of referendums as in Switzerland. So these are 2 points that we look at. In modern states, the objective of participatory democracy is achieved by decentralization of administration and extensive use of referendums as is the case with Switzerland. In Australia, a referendum is compulsory for any constitutional amendment. In contemporary political theory, citizen participation is justified on 3 grounds. The first one we look at is the instrumental view, the second one is the developmental or educational view, and the third one is the communitarian view. We will first look at the instrumental view. In the instrumental view, citizen participation is aimed at promoting or defending the interests of the participant. I repeat, in the instrumental view, citizen participation is aimed at promoting or defending the interests of the participant. In the developmental or educational view, participation enhances the participant's general, moral, social, and political awareness. So, better awareness or enhanced awareness is necessary. So participation increases awareness. This is the developmental or educational view. Communitarians justify participation on the ground that it contributes to the common good. In the socialist countries, participatory democracy came as a response to elitist theory. I repeat, in socialist countries, participatory democracy came as a response to the elitist theory. Participatory democracy tries to bridge the gap between the leaders and followers by encouraging mass participation in the process of governance. I repeat, participatory democracy tries to bridge the gap between the leaders and followers by encouraging mass participation in the process of governance. We will also look at the critique of participatory democracy. So the critiques of participatory democracy say that Participatory democracy does no more than add another theory. Its only addition is that it calls for greater representation from the people. That is, it calls for greater participation from the people. Participation is a function of action and not theory. So participation as a theory is moot. This is the critique of participatory democracy. This concludes the video on participatory democracy. View the video multiple times so that the concept is clear. Thank you.